We are going to talk about the EB-2 National Interest Waiver Visa. This is a great opportunity for professionals with advanced degrees, a great experience in that specific field. This is a great opportunity too for those who want to reach the American dream with your family, with your business, and with everything in mind to succeed in the United States of America. We are going to explain some of the main elements that you need to satisfy for this important opportunity for you to reach the American dream. We come back in a couple of seconds. Thank you so much for being here in our YouTube channel. This is Luis Victoria, your immigration lawyer from Miami, Florida in the United States of America. Thank you again for liking this video because this is going to be very important for you, for your family, and for anyone who may need this important information to reach the American dream. By the way, we are going to talk about the EB-2 National Interest Waiver Visa. This is a great opportunity for you to come here to the United States and to get your permanent resident card. Of course, with your family, with your kids, with anyone that may want to succeed in this amazing country. But we are going to talk about the different elements, the elements that you need to satisfy under the federal law to reach this important opportunity. So the first question that anyone is going to ask himself or herself is, who is eligible for the National Interest Waiver Visa? Well, we are going to talk about different elements of this important opportunity, the EB-2 National Interest Waiver Visa. The National Interest Waiver Visa is an employment-based visa that doesn't require sponsorship. That's the main difference and the main characteristic of this important visa. The National Interest Waiver Visa means National Interest Waiver, which means that the U.S. federal government will waive the requirement of the job offer. What this means? So it means that the request for that labor certification is waived. So as you know, the labor certification is a very costly process, and also you have to wait a long time to be able to receive your labor certification. But as I mentioned before, what you can get with the EB-2 National Interest Waiver? Well, it's an immigrant visa, which means that you are going to get your permanent resident card. It means also that you are going to have a great opportunity to waive a job offer. As I mentioned before, you are going to receive your permanent resident card. The National Interest Waiver Visa is available for foreign nationals who have attained an advanced degree. So what is an advanced degree? We are going to talk about later. So, or you have an advanced degree, equivalent for a professional field here in the US. These individuals, you can also meet the educational requirements with a bachelor degree and at least 5 years of progressive experience in your particular field. Also, you can show an exceptional ability. And what is that? So it means that you have ability in science, in technology, in math, in engineering, arts, business, etc. Also, that those exceptional abilities qualifies as that type of requirement. But what does constitute advanced degree? An advanced degree under this particular visa, the EB-2 National Interest Waiver Visa, is a degree of qualification of higher than a bachelor's degree. The applicant, you, can earn this particular degree in the U.S. by a recognized U.S. college or university, or a foreign institution, a university in your particular country, which is equivalent of an American advanced degree. It means that you have to process your particular degree in an institution here and to know what is your level here in the particular advanced degree. But which are the criteria for this national interest waiver visa? First, the proposed endeavor has both substantial merit and national importance. Secondly, you are well positioned to advance the proposal endeavor. Thirdly, it will be beneficial to the United States to waive the requirement of a job offer and thus the labor certification. This is pretty much the requirements of DANASAR, which is a particular case that the court held about these applicants of the national interest waiver. But continue with those criteria about the exceptional ability. We are going to talk about 6 particular criteria. The first of them is the official academic record showing that you have a degree, as we mentioned before, diplomas, certifications, or similar awards from a college, university, school, or other institutions of learning relating to your area of exceptional ability. Also, letters of recommendation, at least that they show a 10 years of full experience in your particular occupation, a license to practice your particular profession or certification to your professional occupation. Also, evidence that you have commanded a good salary or other remuneration for services that demonstrates your exceptional capacity or ability. Remember that you are above the other ones. Also, you have to show membership in a professional association related to your particular field, recognition for your achievements and significant contributions to your industry or field by your peers, other people who are witnesses of your particular experience and abilities. Also, other comparable evidence of eligibility is also acceptable. But who may qualify under the EB-2 National Interest Waiver Visa? A foreign national who is qualified under the EB-2 visa and a foreign national who passes the 3-pronged test in the matter of DANASAR decision. We mentioned it before, but we are going to remind again that the proposed endeavor is of substantial merit and a national importance, well positioned to advance the proposed endeavor, and a significant benefit for a national interest of this particular country of the US. But what about the pilots? Pilots have a great opportunity to apply for this particular visa, as well as other professionals like lawyers with a JD, engineers specialized, for example, or with experience in telematic or perhaps abilities in particular or specific topics in engineer, civil engineers, system engineers. All of those professionals are welcome to apply for this particular visa. The United States, by the way, is encouraging the arrival of pilots in the United States because there are not enough pilots to cover this particular shortage here in US right now. Therefore, for pilots is a great opportunity to apply for this classification based on their professional or their profession in this country, because it's interest for United States to have more pilots, because as you know, your professional as a pilot is very important to move the economy. According to the details, this particular visa serves for these professionals, pilots, lawyers, engineers, all of those ones with outstanding experience and academic background as a pilot, as I mentioned before, in other professions. Just to conclude, this is a great opportunity for you to be able to reach the American dream through the EB-2 National Interest Waiver, which is an immigrant visa, and you are going to be able to get your green card. Of course, your derivatives, as for example, your spouse, your children, minor or less than 21 years old, or younger than 21 years old, are going to be able to apply and to be benefit through this particular visa. Thank you so much for being here again. Please thumbs up to this particular video because it's going to be very good for you and for your family and for anyone who may need this particular information, and to be able to provide these persons, these individuals, with the possibility to know other opportunity. Maybe they didn't know that throughout their professions they can be able to reach the American dream. Thank you so much. This was your immigration lawyer, Luis Victoria from Miami, Florida. Again, thank you so much. See you next time.